Hello, everyone. Katarina Kitty Cat here, and whoa. Okay. As I was saying, welcome to Meow Meow Messages. Okay. Well, we'll get started as soon as Daniel gets here. Meow Meow. Oh, there he is.
Hi, Katarina.
Hi, Daniel. Meow Meow.
Hi, neighbors.
Ugga mugga.
Ugga mugga. Well, this is totally unbelievable. The Patriots win again against the Redskins on Sunday.
I know. We blew them out, 33-7. Meow Meow.
And tonight, we're playing the Giants. This is a team that usually gets us trouble.
Well, see, we won 5 games and lost not a single one so far, and, well, the Giants, they won 2 but lost 3, so I think we have a good chance.
We're all for this game, though, so hopefully that gives us an advantage.
Yeah, being at home, that really will give us an advantage, Meow Meow. And I think it's going to be a good game.
So we even make a request to not post negative comments on our videos. It makes us feel bad.
Yeah, because, I mean, when you post negative and hurtful comments like that, it kind of makes me feel like I don't want to do it anymore. I mean, and it makes me feel like you hate me, and I know that's not true. So, I mean, I respectfully request that you stop posting the negative comments, Meow Meow, because it really hurts my feelings. Constructive criticism is one thing, but hurtful comments, I can do without those. Thank you very much.
Also, we're going to be putting on a casting call for Margaret's neighborhood, as we're still looking for voice actors.
Yeah, there's still several characters to cast, so I think the only way I'm gonna be successful with finding voice actors is to put out a casting call. So, I mean, once I figure out what characters I need to cast, I'll be putting out the casting call. And yeah, there might be a way for me to put the list of characters that need to be cast, like maybe on my Google Drive or something. Or you can just contact me on Discord, because and I'll leave a join link right down here in the description. Alright, well, it's just about time for us to go watch the game. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos, and we'll see you next time, Meow Meow.